Gold prices traded bearish yesterday, failing to break beyond 3340, 3360 zone, which I have highlighted yesterday and day before as a critical zone for gold to break beyond. We have seen prices reversing, and today again it has started on a bearish note, hitting the lows at 3305, while silver stayed sideways, failing to trade bullish and failing to stay lower as well. So what to expect now from gold and silver? Are we looking forward to a drop here, or there is a possibility of a bounce back and reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and the next update will be released before the US session, before the data releases. Do watch that as well. This is the only channel to do it twice a day. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, if you look at the move here, the drop, the retracement, and again looking downward. See precisely the zone which I have highlighted yesterday, that this is the zone which is going to offer gold a maximum resistance. Prices reverse from the same zone. Now I'll be looking forward to a drop below 3300, a closure of the candle below 3300. That will confirm the next move towards 3290, 92, and then I'll be looking forward to 3280. Remember, any drop below 3280 today or in the coming week, the last trading session for the month, we can expect the prices to slide all the way towards 3250. Right now, if you look at the moving averages, these have started to diverge, certainly a sign of bearishness here. The stochastic has dropped to the bottom. It is staying oversold on the hourly charts. This is a slight matter of concern. As you can see in the recent time frames, whenever gold hits this zone, it tries to recover a little. The MACD also crossed over. It is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is also at bottom. So on the 1 hour time frame, it is getting slightly oversold. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, the drop, the retracement, and now looking downwards, a closure of the candle below 3300 should take it towards 3290, 92 and 3280 zone. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bearish. Now today, a reversal confirmation. Again, this is the zone, that is 3340, 3360. It need to breach in order to confirm the bearishness today. Else it is still not confirming a reversal. And yesterday I have mentioned one thing, till 3360 it's sell on rise. This is the beauty of analysis. What has happened? What a good dump we have seen here in gold prices. Stochastic here is also getting oversold. The MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish. The RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour chart, observation is similar. Now see, this is the second or third time it is coming to the zone. Let's see how strong is the support here. Now remember, 3280, 3300 is the zone on the downside, which should offer maximum support for gold. So this is the zone, that is 3340, 60 on the upside, 3280, 3300 on the downside. Any breach on the upside or downside will confirm the direction for gold. Moving averages here also trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD again crossing over for sell. Slight bearish sign again. And the RSI trading bearish as well. Coming to 4-hour chart, similar observation here on the 4-hour chart. The drop, the retracement trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards. And once it trades below 3300, 3290 and then 3280 should be the targets. Below 3280, definitely a greater correction should follow. Right now it is staying bearish, looking downwards. When you see the stochastic, this has come towards an oversold zone. The MACD again crossing over for sell, again a bearish sign here. And this is sitting at the bottom, looking downwards. It's still having lot much of bearishness left here. Now coming to the daily, on the daily charts, look what has happened here. Prices strike the 20 period moving average, getting the resistance. We have seen a pullback. Now if you see the last couple of candles here, you can see these with almost identical body size, and see the closing at the bottom at 3320. Now today it is started on a bearish note and it is looking downwards. This suggests that it is going to extend the tail here. This is suggests that this is going to breach below the lows here, and which is indicative that possibly gold prices might move towards 3280. Keep a note of this, and in fact it can stretch this drop today. Yes, staying below 3280, there could be greater fall in gold prices where 3250 cannot be denied here. This is something you should definitely watch out for. The stochastic sitting at the bottom, the MACD crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI is looking downwards as well. So here we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels, and if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Do not miss to join. Connect with me for your queries related to the mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to join a trusted partner which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. No commissions, zero swap fee, no hidden charges. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Join it today and enjoy your trading. So now looking at the charts, yes, if you see gold trading below 3300 levels, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 3290, 92 first target, 3280 the second. Remember, once it trades below 3280, the next targets are going to be far lower towards 3250. But in the meantime, intermittent support might pitch in at around 3266. So that should be the first target beyond 3280 and then 3250 level should arrive. While on the upside now, ideal buying position should be only above 33, 24, 26 zone, but it is far beyond. So I'll recommend you to buy here at 33, 14 levels, 33. In fact, you can buy here at 33, 12, 33, 14 zone and then expect 33, 22, 24 as the first resistance zone. And if at all it trades beyond 33, 22, 24, that you can mark as the beginning of reversal and then prices should head towards 33, 40, 33, 60 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Likewise with silver on the RHRC, yesterday we have discussed 3685 should offer it a good resistance. What has happened? Prices dropped all the way from 3685 towards 3620 levels. Now after retracing here again, looking downwards. So now if you see it is staying below 3650, that is the higher price. If you see it is staying below 3650, you can take a sell till $36 levels. You have to trail, or rather I'll say till 36.20 you have to trail with 10 cents trailing stop loss. Below 36.20 is 36 and 35.80. Below 35.80 it should enter into a correction territory. Right now it is not suggestive of same. The stochastic is bearish. The MACD also has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts here, flat top is seen looking downwards. There is a possibility of lower lows and specifically a drop below 3620 should decide the direction for silver prices here. The crossover in the moving averages here in the is on the buy side, and that is why I said 3620 is going to offer maximum support below which a greater correction should follow. The stochastic has dropped looking downwards. The MACD has retraced trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is also looking downwards here. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, see the body sizes are increasing. There is a reversal sign. I'll just wait for it to stay now below 3650, 3640 zone. Until 3620 you have to be cautious with the sells. Below 3620 is where the bears will take over completely. Below 3620 is where we are going to head towards 36, 35, 80, or in fact 35, 50 levels. Though the crossover here in the moving average is on the buy side, however, once it breaches below 3620, more bearishness should follow. The stochastic looking down, the MACD, if you look at it, is trying to converge, though it is not yet crossed over. RSI is also suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to the 4 hour, the observation is same on the 4 hour charts. Notice diminishing bullishness trying to reverse and staying below 3650. You can take a sell till 3620. Just be cautious with the sells. Yes, you have to trail your stop losses as long as it stays above 3620. Below 3620 is where we are going to head towards a greater correction. 36, 35, 80 has to be there. Below 35.80 we are looking at 35.50 and lower levels. Be mindful of this. When you see the stochastic, this is dropped, the MACD is converged here, it is trying to cross over. Let's wait for a crossover here. It is still not suggestive of further bearishness. The RSI is looking downwards, which is again slight signs of bearishness. Coming to the daily chart. Now silver here on the daily charts, notice after taking the support from the 20 period showing a reversal sign, prices have seen a good rise. Now when you connect the highs and the lows, it is pretty important for silver to trade below 3620 today. Only and only if it trades below 3620 we can expect the bears to take over. As long as 3620 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells. And then too, even if it stays below 3620, see 36, 35, 80 is the zone which is going to offer maximum support for silver. If at all it decides to trade below this, stay short. Stay short. This is going to deliver a very good correction here, where the lows are going to be all the way towards 35, 50, 35, 20 levels. Be watchful of this. Stochastic is rising here while the MACD has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence and bearishness, and the RSI is flat. So looking at this, very simple. I'll recommend you to buy if you now see gold trading beyond, silver trading beyond 3670 levels. Expect 3685. And if 3685 is taken, stay bullish for 3710, 3740 levels. And if 3740 is taken, we are looking at 3780, $38 levels, which I think is going to be difficult for silver to breach today. The possibility of a downside is more rather than upside. On the downside, take a selling entry at 3650 levels itself. When you see the higher price below 3650, take a sell. Expect 3640, 3020. Till 3620, 10 cents trailing stop loss. Below 3620, 36 is the target, and below 36, 3575, 3550, 3520 should appear. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session, before the data releases. Do watch that update as well. Thank you.